Industrial control panels are now the front line of operational cybersecurity. As manufacturing environments become more connected, these panels function like the hub of a modern smart home, where physical operations and digital access converge. In the past, security relied on isolation. Today, connectivity brings powerful benefits, but also real exposure, if not intentionally designed and governed. Modern control panels increasingly include Ethernet switches, routers, firewalls, and remote access gateways that connect PLCs, drives, and safety systems to enterprise networks and cloud platforms. This enables real-time visibility, remote diagnostics, predictive maintenance, and data-driven optimization. However, it also removes the safety net of disconnected systems. Cyber risks are no longer theoretical. They translate directly into downtime, safety incidents, scrap, and lost revenue. The most serious risks inside connected control panels include unauthorized access to critical assets, compromised data integrity, and system disruptions with physical consequences. In OT environments, integrity and control matter more than confidentiality, because altered data or logic can quietly degrade performance or create unsafe conditions. A compromised panel doesn't just disrupt screens, it can stop production or cause loss of control. Because of this, industrial control panels must be designed as intentional security architectures, not passive enclosures. Panel design determines network segmentation, physical access limits, upgrade paths, and long-term cybersecurity posture. Effective OT security relies on layered defenses, defined authority and governance, and lifecycle support, not one-time fixes. Finally, the human factor remains critical. Security controls must align with real workflows, so operators don't bypass them under pressure. Secure systems are those people understand and trust. Connectivity itself isn't the enemy. Poorly governed connectivity is. Manufacturers who embed cybersecurity into panel design are better positioned to protect safety, uptime, and long-term scalability.